Why are you not come in Mikey's party? Wait. Mute ko muna. Ang hirap ng English. I asked you how many times last week, are you coming or not? The first is you said you are coming, but 1 week you never reply to me. Oh shit! Oh shit! I know you and me. Ng English kasi to. Can you please talk Tagalog? Why you always stress because of the money? If the money is coming, okay, coming, it's blessing. If the money is not coming, okay, depressing. So, good morning guys, and kagigising ko lang. Tumatawag na naman nga yung tatay ni Mikey. Sabi ko, sandali lang. Gusto niya kasing magpaliwanag kasi nababasa ko sa comment section na wala daw siyang kwentang ama, wag ko babalikan. Oo, hindi ko naman babalikan. Pero, syempre, ang hiling nga ni Mikey is gusto nga niyang makasama yung papa niya. God, mami ha. Kagising ko lang. Gusto nga daw niya makasama yung papa niya. So, eto, ipaparinig ko sa inyo yung... Siguro ito, tatawagan ko yung tatay niya. Kasi kanina, tumatawag siya, nagsusorry siya. Okay. Pakinggan niyo. Kung bakit hindi naging kami. Okay.
Hello.
Good morning.
What? Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
Oh, so...
Sorry, Sorry, Mikey.
Mikey is not here. She go to school. Baboy.
Yes.
Can I ask something?
Yeah.
Wait. Mute ko muna. Ang hirap ng English. Paano ko ba sasabihin na bakit hindi siya pumunta ba? Baboy!
Yeah.
Why are you not come in Mikey's party? Because? But you promised to Mikey you will become, diba?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know how to answer.
Why are you not come? Babo, you know what she said?
I know, Mikey.
Baboy, I'm asking, ano? Hindi, tinanong ko kasi siya. Ano sabi niya?
Tinanong si Mikey.
Tinanong ko siya. I asked you how many times last week, are you coming or not? The first is you said you are coming, but 1 week you never reply to me.
Oh shit! Oh shit! No, 1 week now. 3 days.
And then, you know what Mikey said?
You are a liar.
Oh. Did you hear that?
You always say you go to my birthday or next month, but you not go. So it's not your promise, it's not real.
She is mad.
Sorry, Mikey.
So, I asking you, when did you come in Philippines? Or you want I come in Malaysia with Mikey? What yes? What yes? I come or you come? Because Mikey want to see you.
Oh, can I come Malaysia?
I'll come on March 20. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay lah.
I promise.
How many days you can stay with Mikey?
5 days.
5 days. But Baboy, I will tell you, I'm with my boyfriend, okay?
Okay.
But, I know you and me, Not together already. So I know you are not jealous, right? Oh. Please, please, for the sake of Mikey, in English kasi to. Can you please talk Tagalog? Can you speak Tagalog, baboy?
I don't know Tagalog. Anong konti lang.
I know Tagalog. I know konti. Hindi kasi siya talaga marunong mag-Tagalog. Guys, kaya kami nag-aaway nito. Kasi nag-aaway kami dati. Kaya kami naghiwalay. Pinili ko na lang maghiwalay kami. Kasi hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya aaway. Kasi nga English daw. Okay. So, baboy, you know how much I love Mikey.
You love Mikey 100%.
I know you have many faults. But I'll give you a chance to meet Mikey. Before, I don't have money to go to Malaysia. But now, I can bring Mikey. This is the time to bring Mikey in Malaysia. Baboy, please. Sometimes you are liar. Please, if you talk to me, if you promise, please do it. Diba?
Yeah.
Baboy, when you come in Philippines,
Next month, can.
next month can. And then, how many months you stay in Philippines?
I only can stay in 1 month.
1 month? I thought you want business here.
Business here, Philippines.
Wow.
I need to register the long-term pass.
You need to register long pass. Okay.
I need to renew before I have already.
So, Baboy, I ask you one question. What? Mikey's birthday, you didn't come, right? What is the reason? But you promised to her you come in Philippines, but you didn't come. So what is the main reason? You don't have money for what?
Yeah.
What? What?
I don't have money to buy my ticket.
You don't have money to buy ticket, and then you are shy to Mikey.
Yeah.
Baboy, but you can tell me, Baboy, I'm not coming. I cannot come. Very simple message, very short message. Why you ignore me? Baboy. Why? Why you didn't? Why you not respond my call, and why you not reply my message? Baboy, are you Pipe? Are you Pipe?
What's baby?
Pipe. Masarap. The pipi. No. Because you cannot talk. Talk to me.
Okay, sorry lah, Babu and Mikey.
You know how much Mikey's... you know how... Ano? Ano ba sabihin yun? Mahal siya ni Mikey. Bili mo ako taho! Bili mo ako taho! Taho! You know how much Mikey loves you. She always asks me, Mommy, when Papa Baboy's coming? Huwag kang maingay, may kausap ako! Hoy! Good morning! Baboy.
Yeah.
Why? Baboy, is it okay to... I know you have other daughter, but is it okay if you come Philippines or I'll come in Malaysia? I'll do video with you and Mikey.
Can.
Mikey is 7 years old already. So I think she deserved to show to other people she have a father. Right?
Yeah.
So thank you for that. But Baboy, did you see my life now? I'm good. Diba? I'm okay. Now Mikey's okay.
I know.
Yeah. Even you did it, send money to Mikey. It's okay. I don't need that. But, I didn't... Ano ka? Guys, paano ba sabihin na hindi ko iniibig? Kaya ayoko na lang talaga ito kausapin minsan dahil hindi talaga kami magkaintindihan, day. English talaga, day. So, Baboy, if you meet Mikey, please say sorry. And then, Baboy, next time, do not say bad words in front of Mikey. Because until now, she remembered all you talked to me before. Yeah. Until now, she talked to me, Mommy, I want meet Papa Baboy, but I don't like him. I want meet him, but I don't like him to stay here because he always do bad words.
Only one time lah. Only one time only.
Because do not.
You know the time.
Yeah, I know. But do not. Ano ba?
Her hear. Do not let Mikey hear bad words.
Do not.
Do not let Mikey hear.
Do not let Mikey hear some bad words. Because she cannot forget that.
Okay lah, sorry lah.
Baboy, I know you are a good guy, but you don't have a choice. I know, because before I know you have many money, because you are my boss before. You are a billionaire person. I know.
Because of the COVID, then I lost my own money.
Yes, COVID time.
Because I have many the Philippine staff. I need to settle.
But Baboy, you know, you give me depression before. You destroy my mind. But it's okay. Mga mare, yun nga ang tinatawag natin na bilog ang mundo. Ito yung dati sobrang yaman nito. Sobrang as in bilyonaryo talaga siya. Pero yun nga, nung iniwan niya ako, nung nabuntis ako, 2 years kaming nagsama. Pero ngayon, siguro, mapapatawad ko naman siya. Kasi tatay naman to ng anak ko, di ba? I said, Baboy, you are very rich before. Super rich.
No lah.
Now, you are rich. Di ba?
Many utang lah.
You have many utang now?
Yeah, need to settle.
How much your utang? Why you have many utang? You have business?
Not easy lah.
I know you super stressed now, but I understand. It's okay. Have many... Ano ba, marami pang chance na magkita sila. There's many chance to meet Mikey.
Thank you.
Babo, you know me. I'm not a bad girl. You know that.
I know.
You know that.
I know.
You know my heart is very soft.
I know.
Soft drinks. Wait, Baboy, Did you eat already?
Never.
Why?
I go to work.
Can I see your face now? I don't show the camera. Can you see? Can I see? Can I see your face? I never show to camera. Can I see? Baboy. Open your camera only. I never show to other people. See? See?
Okay lah.
Ay. Grabe, stress na. Halata. Baboy, you looks like very stressed. Baboy. Baboy.
Yeah, I know that. Like before lah.
You looks like very stressed. Baboy, I also ugly. I'm stressed. I'm ugly now. Baboy, okay. I'll come in Malaysia with Mikey and my friends. I'll come in Kuala Lumpur. Okay, I stay in Kuala Lumpur. Same like before. On March 20, okay? I'll meet you there. Okay, and then you stay with Mikey. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Baboy, don't too much stress. That's only money. Important now is your peace of mind. Why you always stress because of the money? If the money is coming, okay, coming, it's blessing. If the money is not coming, okay, depressing. If the money is not coming, it's okay. Baboy, I told you, I'm willing to help you. For Mikey. I told you yesterday, you need me. I will help you, okay? Only help you. Because I want you, hihirapan ako dahil. Ano English yung gusto ko silang magkasama ni Mikey? I want you to be together with Mikey. You can do that? Diba? If you come here in Philippines, you become a very pogi again. Babo, you know, the stress is #1 killer, right? But why you so stressed? Enjoy your life. Life is short.
No same like before lah.
I know. You're stressed because of the money. Why? Money is just a paper, baboy. Wow! Really? Life is important. You have God, right?
You have money already. Of course, you can do.
Yes.
Same like now. Now you're very rich.
Now, I'm not rich.
Example, if one day you no income, then you need to settle many things. Then you how?
I know.
Before the COVID the time, I can run the time. I don't want to take care of all for the Philippine girl. They buy my stuff.
Yeah.
I need to take care. I need to settle all. The time flight ticket, very expensive. So I need to settle. Then I need to settle. I know all the girl very kawawa. I use my all the money, need to settle all. Because this is all my stuff. I cannot run away. The time I can say, okay, you go to embassy, you settle your ticket, go back lah. Then you voila food up to you lah. You go to Thailand. You cannot because I need to settle.
Yeah.
Diba? I need to settle all. I cannot run because I'm boss.
Because you are boss. Wait lang, baboy. Wait, baboy, I do not talk. Guys, naghihirap kasi siya nung COVID. Nung COVID kasi dati tong boss ng isang pub sa Singapore. Pareho kami nagsama doon. 2 years kami nagsama. O yan, na-share ko sa inyo yung buhay ko ha. At bakit kami naghiwalay? Hindi kami magkaintindihan dahil English, ang hirap magalit pag mag-i-English ka ba? Ay, tahimik na lang ako dahil. So, baboy, I need to talk to you in face-to-face. So, I'll meet you on March 20, okay?
Okay.
Now, Baboy.
Yeah.
What happened to the big bike?
Huh?
Big bike.
Something you say you buy na.
Yeah, I buy, but what
But
happened?
after, then you keep the deposit after you say cancel na.
Yes, I give you 500,000 pesos. But what happened to
No 500,000.
500,000 pesos?
Because I cannot take all at the time, only take 200,000 pesos.
500,000 the total, you know, right? Baboy, 500,000. You remember? Do you forget?
You forget lah.
500,000 you deposit because the total is 1.3 million, right?
Yeah, after you, because I cannot bring many cash to go to custom. Later he check immigration. Then I bring only 300,000.
Gago. I'll send you in Western Union, you forgot.
Yeah lah.
Oh,
Cash only 200,000 the cash. And then after 100,000 you send the Western Union.
the total is 500,000.
I have
Yeah,
record I send to
yeah,
you. I
yeah.
have record I can send to you.
You see, do not, do not, ano yun? Magtalo. Baboy, I know. It's okay, never mind. So, if you come Philippines, I want you to do business. But, you take care of Mikey. Because Mikey loves you. She want the real papa. She understand me, I have boyfriend, but she want to meet you, she want to hug you, she want to see you. She want to play with you. Baboy, if Mikey is big already, you think she want to play with you? No, right? So please. Okay?
Okay.
So see you on March 20, okay?
20, yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mabait naman siya. Kaso, ewan ko ba, nung nabuntis ako, biglang run. Run! Depressed ako. Okay lang. Wala akong kapera-pera nun. So, may isang tao ngayon na sumalo sa akin. Pero, ngayon, hindi ko akalain na magiging ganito yung buhay ko. Totoo nga, bumabaligtad ang mundo. Kaya hanggat maaari, maging mabuting tao. Takot ako gumawa ng kasamaan sa kapwa ko. Totoo lang. Kahit nga sa pagganti, ayoko sana eh. Pero ayun, so sa 20, mamimit na natin yung papa ni Mikey. Inaabangan nyo. So ayun yung explanation niya kung bakit hindi siya nakarating. Wala siyang pera, wala siyang mukhang maiharap. At hindi daw niya alam yung susuotin niya. Nag-message siya sa akin. At pagkatapos, wala daw din siyang regalo kay Mikey. At hindi daw niya, at ayaw daw niya na galing sa akin yung perang irregalo ko. Kasi pag umuwi yan dito dati, actually ganito yan eh. Kaya ako nagpupunta ng Malaysia noon sa mga vlog ko. Dala ko yung bata, pinakikita ko sa kanya. Siya yung minimit ko dun. Pinapakita ko si Mikey. Marami kaming pictures nila Mikey nun. Siyempre dahil nga nasa social media ako at love team kami ng Pacboy noon, hindi ko pinapakita sa social media kahit na ang daming basher. Pero hindi rin kasi nila ako maiintindihan. So ang purpose ko sa Malaysia, kaya ako pumupunta doon, is yung papa ni Mikey. Kaya ako pumupunta doon. Ngayon gets nyo na. Diba? Dami nagsasabi, hindi mo kailangan i-open yung buhay mo. So, gusto ko to eh. Diba? May mga na-admire, may mga nakaka-relate, ganyan. Siyempre, vlogger ako eh. So, wala naman sigurong problema at wala naman akong tinatago sa sarili ko. Mas maganda yung maging totoo ko, ganun. I-share ko sa inyo yung buhay ko. Marami pa nga akong pinagdaanan eh. Pero alam nyo, ang hirap maging single mom. Sobra. Kasi lahat ng gusto mong ibigay na pangarap sa anak mo, ang hirap niyang kuhain. Hindi siya ganun kadali. Pero ang ginawa ko, nagsumikap ako at kumapit ako sa Panginoon na talaga alam kong dadating yung time na lahat pinaubaya ko sa Kanya. Sabi ko, Lord, Ikaw na bahala. Ipapaubaya ko sa lahat ng mga nararamdaman ko ngayon. Lahat ng mga sakit na nararamdaman ko. Na halos nung buntis ako, uminom ako ng sabon. Nanganak ako kay Mikey, kulang yan sabon 8 months. Kasi nga sa sobra daw, stress. Tapos, ayun nga. Sabi ko sa Kanya, Lord, Ikaw na bahala. So, biglang one click, pinitik ako ng Diyos na, binigyan ako ng sobrang blessing. Grabe talaga yung blessing. Tapos, lahat naman ng blessing na natatamo ko ngayon, sinishare ko especially sa magulang ko. At gusto kong iparanas din sa kanila yung sarap ng buhay. Kasi mahirap lang kami noon eh. Sobrang hirap. So, ayun lang. So, abangan natin sa March 20. Abangan natin sa March 20 kung ano yung pagkikita nilang dalawa, 'di ba? Pero tumatak kasi sa utak ni Mikey yung pagsasalita na ng mga bad words. Pero willing naman ako kausapin yung bata, nakalimutan niyo. Kaso bata, mahirap explain, mahirap paliwanagan. Mahirap paliwanagan na hindi masama yun or what. Or, siguro sabihin ko na lang sa anak ko, tuturuan ko na lang siyang magpatawad. Yun na yun. So, abangan nyo na lang. Mahirap ako kausapin dahil kasi English ba? Hindi ko talaga minsan kinukontak kasi nga, hindi kami magkaintindihan. Gustuhin ko mong magalit. Wag na lang. Ganun yun. English kasi. Okay, so ayan ha guys.